The question is the ratio of 10th term to its 30th term of an AP is 1:3 and the sum of its first 6 terms is 42. Find the first term and common difference of the AP. We know that the nth term of an AP is equal to an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Hence, a10 is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into d. That implies a plus 9d. Similarly, a30 is equal to a plus 30 minus 1 into d. That implies a plus 29d. Given that a10 divided by a30, that is the ratio is equal to 1 by 3. That is a plus 9d divided by a plus 29d is equal to 1 by 3. Now cross multiply. That is 3 into a plus 9d is equal to a plus 29d. That is 3a plus 27d is equal to a plus 29d. That is 2a is equal to 2d. That implies a is equal to d. From here we get the first term and the common difference is same. Now, given that the sum of first 6 terms is 42, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is S7 and S6. S6 is equal to 6 divided by 2 into 2a plus 6 minus 1 into d. That's equal to 3 into 2a plus 5d. This is given us 42. Hence 2a plus 5d is equal to 42 divided by 3, that is equal to 14. We know that a is equal to d. Substitute 2a plus 5a is equal to 14. That is 7a is equal to 14. Therefore, a is equal to 14 divided by 2. 14 divided by 7. That's equal to 2. Since a is equal to d, d also 2. Hence, the final answers are the first term a is equal to 2 and the common difference d is equal to 2. These are the final answers. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.